Hey, high levelers, Star here. I'm so excited to show you this incredible feature. If you're an agency and you work with lawyers, you're not going to want to miss this. If you're a lawyer who uses HighLevel or any business owner who sends contracts, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how you can include multiple attachments whenever you send out a contract. This is great because now you can send supporting documentation or templates to your clients. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so you're going to want to be on the sub-account level. Once you're on the sub-account level, just scroll down to payments on the left-hand side. Then you're going to go to the top and you'll see all documents and contracts. So we're going to go ahead and create your document. This can be a proposal, estimate, or contract from scratch. Then it's going to go ahead and take you into the editor. Once inside of the editor, you're going to see the gear icon at the top left, which is settings. Go ahead and make that selection. All the way at the bottom, you're going to see add attachments. Here's where you're going to go ahead and add any attachments that you would like to be sent out with this contract. So I'm going to go ahead and select upload. Now you can click or you can drag to add your documents to this area. So I'm going to go ahead and select the documents that I would like to add. Now it's important to note that you can add an SVG, PNG, JPEG, or PDF, and the maximum size per file that you can upload is 15 megabytes. So I'm going to go ahead and add one more. So now that you have these attachments selected, which again, it can be up to 5, go ahead and select upload. So once you've uploaded those attachments, anytime you send out this particular contract, whether it be manual or through an automation, then these attachments on the left-hand side at the bottom are also going to be sent. So what we'd want to do now is we can save this as our template, and I can go ahead and directly send this contract out to my client by hitting the send button. And not only are they going to receive the contract, but they're also going to receive the attachments that we've added. So you can see here that I do have this new document that I've created in draft mode here today, and I can go ahead and use this as a template by converting it to a template. In which case, once this is an actual template that I'm going to be using, I still have those attachments down here below, and you can send it out through automations as well. So go ahead and start improving the efficiency of your contract negotiations by uploading any supporting documentation and templates that are needed to go out with your contract. So when you send that contract out, they're going to receive any of the attachments that you've uploaded, whether it be manual or through a workflow. Start using this amazing feature today.